Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2010 Honda Civic. This one comes with 10.2 inches high definition screen. You can see this direct fit, it's perfectly fit. It's also fully compatible with the steering wheel control if your car comes with steering wheel control. This one is fully compatible with all the settings here, the climate control, everything. Let me explain some of the features about this system, okay? This one also comes with the speed. It will show the speed here. It will come with the built-in navigation system, okay? The built-in navigation system is offline. You don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS, okay? However, if you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you will be able to access the traffic update. It also comes with the traffic update on this navigation first. I'm gonna show you how to use the navigation. Go to bottom right corner, new road, address. You can enter the address here. However, if you want to turn on the toll road or maybe turn off the toll road, you can click on bottom right corner, setting, road preference. Roads with previous charge, you can turn it on, then you can use the toll road. Otherwise, you can turn it off by default. So every time when the navigation calculates the road, it will just take off the toll road. And then home button is right here. You can also change the button on the side. This one also comes with Bluetooth and Bluetooth music as well. It's right here. This is the radio. Okay, it also comes the equalizer here. Other than that, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi to access the internet. Click on Setting, Network, Wi-Fi. You can connect to any Wi-Fi on the hotspot on the phone, then you can access to the internet. Even when you don't connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can still use the GPS and Bluetooth music. You don't need to connect to Wi-Fi. But if you want to watch the YouTube on Netflix or Google Maps, then you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can also change the wallpaper here. This is the brightness level. You can increase the brightness here. And then wallpaper, you can also use your own wallpaper. Just copy the USB to the glove box, okay? And then other than that is pretty much it's really straightforward and user friendly for this system, okay? And then I'm gonna go through some of the settings here. If your car comes with the steering wheel control, you need to program it. Once you connect everything, then you can go to steering wheel controls here, and then you can program the steering wheel control on the car. Navigation, you can also change the default navigation of the software that you prefer. Okay, by default it's called iGo. It's built in, or it also comes with the built-in Waze navigation and also the Google Map as well. Okay, depends on which one you want. Other than that, you can the setting is right here. Driving setting. Driving setting is you can also turn on the watch video while you're driving if you want to turn it on. If you want to use the CarPlay feature, you also need to turn on this feature. Otherwise, the CarPlay will not work, okay? And then other than that, you can go to extra setting here. We usually make it to 10 minutes, okay? Sometimes when you turn on the car, the Honda logo, the maybe whatever logo doesn't show up on the screen, it's because of a sleep time issue, okay? And then reversing volume, that means every time when you move the car to reverse, you can turn off the sound or maybe turn on the sound, okay? Depends on your personal preference, okay? So I'm gonna go through some of the apps that we built in on the system, okay? This is the home menu here. Click on this one. You can see that comes with pretty much many. This is the internet browser here. You can also use the internet browser here. And then other than that, it also comes with the built-in Google Map here, okay? It's very nice. The screen is very bright, okay? And also Netflix is right here. If you have the Netflix account, you can also watch the Netflix movie here. It's very beautiful screen and it's very clear, okay? And also, you can also watch the movie from the USB.
The mission has been compromised. We need...
Okay, other than that, you can also, of course, you can also watch the YouTube. But this kind of feature, they require Wi-Fi. That means you need to connect to the Wi-Fi for this kind of feature. And you can also download the navigation software from the Google App Store here. Alright. If you guys have any question about this fantastic system, please contact us AutoTecPro. This system can also be purchased from our website www.autotecpro.com. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.